Is now 6:40. Coming up after the break, Halloween is in just 5 days, and we had some mini models show off Halloween costumes that you can get delivered to your door before the 31st. But first, here's your Bloomberg Business Report. In just 5 days, it's time to trick or treat, but are you still trying to find a costume for your kids, your pet, or even yourself? We had some adorable models in studio and the CEO of KeepAmerica.com with some last-minute Halloween buys that you'll get in time for the big day, and he says shouldn't spook out your bank account. Check it out. Now today we have a very special guest, David Seligtar. Thanks so much for being here.
Thank you.
And you are the CEO of www.keepamerica.com,
Right.
A huge company. You guys sell a variety of things, I know, but Halloween's 6 days away or 5 days away, and you guys have a lot of Halloween ideas and gifts.
We do. We have everything from costumes to all different kinds of personalized goods for the children, teenagers, adults, the entire age bracket. Right here I got my nieces and nephews covered over here with Zoe, Kaya, Chloe, and Dylan. Personalized buckets for Halloween. We have personalized apparel as well. Every time Halloween rolls around, it always becomes freezing outside out of nowhere. So we got them covered while they're wearing the costumes trick-or-treating. We also have, these have been really popular. These are kid-friendly, eco-friendly, glow-in-the-dark, orange-black, and again, glow-in-the-dark nail polish.
Nice.
For the kids to get the Halloween vibe going on. And a bunch of accessories and other things even for little ones for trick-or-treating. And besides the costumes for the kids, they love playing dress-up with their dolls as well. So we even have little doll costumes they can wear, while they're running around and even all year round to playtime.
And now, speaking of these costumes, so we have the fairy, we have a princess, so many different things, and we have actually some kid models here who are adorable, and they're going to show them off. But how much do these cost? What's the price range?
Very affordable. These range anywhere between $5 to $8 for the accessories, about $20 to $40 for the costumes. These personalized buckets start at $20. So again, the whole conception, the misconception that outsourced pricing is always cheaper isn't true, and we offer 15% off on our site for the costumes just for Halloween.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Now let's go over to the kids. You can see we have a superwoman, a pirate, and a beautiful fairy princess. So the first person we're going to talk to is Riley. Riley, come on down. Riley is wearing a superwoman outfit today. Now, Riley, what's your favorite part of this outfit?
The crown.
Can you do a spin for us? Beautiful. All right, thanks, Riley. The next person we have is Joshua. Joshua the pirate. Joshua, come on down. That's pretty good, huh? What do you love about this costume?
The sword.
The sword. The sword even has a little pirate on it. And as Dave said before, you can get these costumes for about $30 to $50 ranging, so they're very affordable. Thank you so much, Joshua. Last but not least, we have Amari. She's wearing a fairy princess costume. Amari, come on down. All right, Amari, what is your favorite part about this costume?
The wings.
The wings? Do you love butterflies?
Yes.
And what's your favorite part of Halloween?
The candy.
She loves the candy, don't we all? All right, thanks so much. You can go sit down. Happy Halloween, everybody. These are great costume ideas. Again, $30 to $60, www.keepamerica.com, the online source for all things made in the USA. Thanks, guys. Oh, that's my favorite line. All right, as far as shipping, David says, if you order today, you'll get your costumes by Halloween with standard shipping. All right, after those kids came into the studio, I had to take a nap, but they were amazing. Now let's go to John with the weather. John.
Laura, that's